Good morning, class 8th. Today is the demo of how you will create a forms in the Microsoft Access. So what is a form? The form is a view of one or more tables that are to be designed to be used for data entry or editing. By creating a forms, we can make our database more user friendly. Okay. What is the form? For each and everything, we need a form. Like if you want to uh, study any online class, so you must fill the form first. So with the help of this table, we are going to make a forms. So I'm going to tell you how you will create a simple form. For that, you must have any of the database ready for you. Okay, in the previous classes we have done with the many of the tables. So I'm going to open this table Jyoti. When I'm going to open this table, you will see the table look like this. Okay, now how you will create a basic form? You will first of all select the table, that is Jyoti. After that, you go to the create option and then you will go to the option form. So you see that the form looks like this. Okay, so this is the forms, means first of all ID will come, then student ID. इसी तरह से form होता है. This type of the form will look like to us. So this form will show all the fields as the fill in boxes. So this is the fill in box, this is the first fill in the box, this is fill in the box. So all the values are shown as inside this as filled in the box. Now the next topic is we can move through the records. Means this is the first record. Now you can go to this option, next record, फिर next record, फिर next record, फिर next record. You can go to the last record जैसे ही आप click करेंगे. And if you want to enter the new record, new blank record, you will click over here. So you can see that the blank boxes are shown here. So you can, ठीक है. So इस तरह से we can edit and we can add the new blank records. So this is how you will move through the records. Now students, there are the 4 types of the forms: multiple items, split form, data sheet and model dialog. Now what is a multiple item? In the multiple item forms, we will see multiple records at the same time. Split form में क्या होगा? ऊपर form होगा and at the bottom we will see the data sheet. ठीक है? In this chapter we will study about the split form only. Now the next is your data sheet. Data sheet is this type of the form just looks like a regular data sheet, but it is actually a form. Means it is useful when you want to show the database on the some form. The next is your model dialog. It is just like a dialog box, but it is a form. So these are the 4 types of form, but in this chapter we will read only the split form. So what you will do, you click on any of the table like Jyoti table. After that you go to the create option and then you will go to the option more forms, and you can see here this is the split form option. So students, first of all we have to open the form view of the any table. Now you see here, this is the design tab. You open this tab and then you go to the view option and there are 3 views. The first is your form view, then is your layout view and then is your design view. So I'm going to click on this view. This is the design view. Now from here you can increase the forms layout, like this is the ID. You can increase or decrease its length like this. You go to the boundary. एक second. You go to the, first of all you select it. I'm going to click outside first. when the mouse pointer is changes to this sign, you can increase like this. देख रहे हो? The width is going to increase. ठीक है? So first of all, you have to increase the form's orientation, means form size as well. Then you can increase this like this. Yes. Now the width is increases. ठीक है? So this is your which view? This is your design view. Means you can design your form width according to your choice. Now the next view is your layout view. You click on this view. This is the layout view. मैंने आईडी को इतना इंक्रीज किया था, तभी आपको लेआउट में इतना इंक्रीज हुआ नजर आया है. आई एम गोइंग टू अगेन चेंज इट. यू विल सी द डिफरेंस. When you go to the design view, I am going to decrease the width now. Yes, its width is decreasing. Now you see the layout. You see the difference. This is the difference. When you decrease, automatically the width will decrease. When you increase, the width will increase. So this is how you can change the view of your form. So two views, layout view or design view. पहले हम design करेंगे, then we will see its layout. Now the next topic is how you will change the field formatting of the form. For that, you can go to the option number format. On the top there is a format, means you want to change its color. देख रहे हो? The color is red now. The color is red now. You can center it. Now in your form the content is in the center position. You can add the background image. For that you have to choose the background image. Okay, so you can try. Now this is how you will bold. आप bold कर सकते हैं. You can italic and you can underline. ठीक है? So this is the formatting of your content in the form. You can apply the theme as well. For that you have to go to the design view. This is the design view. Themes are available. You can choose like this theme, green. ठीक है? First of all, I am going to show you about create more forms. Split form करूँगी मैं. Now I am going to show you the themes, and you can change. Suppose I am going to take this green theme. So you can see the border of the table is changes to green color, which was black previous one. पहले black था, now it will be of green color. So you can see the difference. So when you changes the theme, I am going to choose the another themes. ठीक है? So in this way you can choose the themes. You can browse for the themes as well. This is the theme, content. फॉन्ट का स्टाइल चेंज हो गया है. सो यू कैन ट्राई दीज थीम्स. क्लियर है? You can choose the font colors. This is the font colors. I'm going to choose this one and you will see the difference. So these are the font colors. From here you can choose the font styles. From here you can choose the colors as well. Like suppose you want to take this waveform. So you will see the difference when you will try. So this is all about this chapter number 2, how you will create a form, how you will design your form, how you will change the layout of the form.